Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send DM on Instagram on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to send DM on Instagram, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Instagram. And here you just have the option of messages. You just have to click on messages here, and from here you can directly send DM to any person. So the very first, you can search for any person if you haven't anyone in your DM. So you can go to the search option here and just select the person with which you want to start a chat. So let's say I'm gonna search for this one, and on profile page you might see the option of message. Just click on this, so it will open in your messages or in your DM. So just click on this message option, and here just write the text and send it. You can also send a voice message, any photo or video from your gallery. You can use the sticker option to send sticker on GIF, or you can also send emojis to that person. So in this way, you can easily use Instagram DM on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.